your neck is destroying your entire physique. You could spend years building a massive chest, wide shoulders, and shredded abs, but the moment someone looks at your neck, all that hard work disappears. A pencil neck makes you look weak and completely unbalanced. But before you do another random, useless neck exercise, listen to this very carefully. Scientists just uncovered a bizarre training phenomenon that causes neck muscles to grow up to 4 times faster than your chest or arms, featuring a jaw-dropping movement that triggers a record-breaking 95.8% muscle activation. If you stay until the end, you are going to discover the exact science-backed blueprint to build a thick, unbreakable neck like Mike Tyson. The truth about neck training and the SCM. If you want to build a thick, powerful neck, you need to understand why everything you have been doing or seeing in commercial gyms is a complete waste of time. Scientists have tested dozens of traditional exercises and discovered that most of them build literally nothing. Even heavy compound lifts like deadlifts, barbell shrugs, and upright rows have been scientifically proven to yield 0 direct neck growth. Your traps might get bigger, but your actual neck circumference remains completely untouched. To fix this and stimulate real growth, you have to target a very specific, highly visible muscle called the SCM, or the sternocleidomastoid. This is the thick, powerful muscle that runs diagonally down the front and sides of your neck. It is the absolute centerpiece of neck aesthetics. When people look at you from the front or profile, the SCM is what creates that dominant muscular look. Researchers tested multiple isolation movements and finally found one specific exercise that hits the SCM with an incredible 83.5% muscle activation. When they put average guys on an 8-week program using this exact movement, those guys grew their SCM thickness by nearly 9% at multiple levels of the neck. In the world of bodybuilding and muscle hypertrophy, that kind of rapid, localized growth is nothing short of absolute insanity. That exercise is known as weighted neck flexion, or simply neck curls. Mastering neck curls and high-volume execution. Knowing the right exercise is only half the battle. How you execute it determines whether you grow or stay stuck. Here is the exact way to perform weighted neck curls for maximum muscle activation and safety. You need to lie face up on a flat exercise bench with your head hanging completely off the edge, unsupported. Take a weighted plate and place it directly on your forehead. Always wrap the plate securely inside a thick towel to provide proper padding against your skull and skin, preventing any painful slipping or pinching. Once you are locked in position, begin the movement by curling your neck forward, actively bringing your chin down toward your upper chest. Squeeze hard at the very top of the range of motion, and then slowly lower your head back down with absolute control. The descent phase is where the magic happens, so never let gravity just drop your head. Furthermore, there is a massive secret trick you need to apply here. Use high repetitions. You should aim for 20 to 35 grueling reps per set. Why? Because your deep neck flexors are predominantly endurance-based tissues that thrive under high-volume stress, and using lighter weights with higher reps keeps your delicate cervical spine completely safe from unnecessary strain. On top of that, here is a groundbreaking technique adjustment. Keep your chin slightly tucked during the entire exercise, creating what experts call a packed neck. This keeps the SCM locked in a fully lengthened position from start to finish. Science proves that muscles trained heavily at longer lengths grow 2 to 3 times larger than muscles trained in shortened ranges. Perform 3 to 4 sets of this 3 times a week. The secret side neck builder for complete width. If you only train the front and back of your neck, you are making a massive mistake that will completely ruin your proportion. When you look in the mirror after weeks of doing front curls and back extensions, you will realize your neck looks thick from the front and back, but completely flat, narrow, and pathetic from the sides. To fix this, you need serious lateral width, and that brings us to the second essential movement, lateral neck flexion. If you walk into any standard commercial fitness gym right now, you will almost never see anyone performing this exercise. But if you walk into an elite wrestling room or a professional boxing facility, you will notice that every single professional fighter trains lateral neck flexion religiously and treats it like a matter of survival. Think about it. When you are locked in a physical struggle and an opponent grabs your head to violently twist or wrench it sideways, front and back strength will not save you. You need raw, bulletproof lateral strength because your neck gets attacked, pressured, and compressed from every single conceivable angle. Setting this up properly requires discipline. Lie completely on your side on a bench, keeping your entire body sideways. Position yourself so your head hangs off the edge. Grab a light 5-pound plate, wrap it tightly in a towel, and place it directly on the top side of your head. Tilt your head sideways, trying to actively bring your ear down to touch your shoulder, and then lower it back down with slow, deliberate control. The golden rule here is to keep your face pointing strictly straight forward the entire time. Do not twist or rotate. Perform 15 to 20 25 strict reps on one side, immediately flip over and match the exact same number of reps on the other side. Do 2 to 3 sets of this 2 to 3 times a week. The 24% growth rate and neck extensions. For almost every other major muscle group in your entire body, whether you are talking about your chest, your biceps, or your quads, if you run a perfectly structured 12-week training program, you might realistically expect to gain about 5 to 7% growth. But scientists stumbled upon something utterly bizarre when they were analyzing neck muscle adaptation. When researchers tested weighted neck extensions, they discovered that the 12-week growth rate reached a staggering 24%. That is 4 times faster muscle growth than almost any other body part on the human skeleton. Your neck responds to direct, targeted mechanical loading like nothing else on Earth. When scientists measured muscle activation during weighted neck extensions using specialized equipment, it hit an unbelievable 95.8%. That is officially the highest muscle activation score ever recorded in the history of scientific training research. Higher than the pecs during a heavy bench press and higher than the quads during a heavy squat. It is as if your neck muscles have been dormant for your entire life, desperately waiting for you to challenge them. And remember, heavy deadlifts and shrugs gave test subjects zero growth, proving that direct isolation is the only key. To perform neck extensions correctly, lie face down on a flat bench with your head hanging off the edge and your torso firmly stabilized. Place a 5 or 10-pound plate wrapped in a towel on the back of your head. Keep your neck neutral with your chin slightly tucked. Take 2 full seconds to lift the weight up and then spend 3 to 4 seconds slowly lowering it back down. That slow eccentric phase is where the massive growth happens. Do 10 to 12 controlled reps for 2 to 3 sets 3 times a week, ensuring you always leave at least 48 hours of recovery time between sessions. The golden rule: beginner mistakes and safety warning. Before you rush off to the gym to load up heavy plates and transform your physique, you need to understand the absolute golden rule of neck training. Your neck is completely unlike your biceps, your chest, or your legs. If you push your arms to absolute failure or use too much weight on a squat, you will get sore and recover. But your neck houses your spinal cord, the primary neurological communication highway connecting your brain to the rest of your body. Ego lifting here is completely out of the question. The biggest mistake beginners make is letting their ego take control. They walk in thinking that because they can bench press heavy, their neck can easily handle heavy weight right away. This is a fatal misconception. What they fail to realize is that your neck muscles are specialized endurance tissues. They have spent your entire life doing one job: holding up your 10-pound head against gravity every second of the day. They are endurance masters, but when it comes to direct external resistance loading, they are absolute beginners with zero prior experience. You must start light. Begin with a 5-pound plate or 10 pounds absolute maximum. Furthermore, do not panic during your first week if you wake up feeling a mild sore throat or unusual stiffness. You are not sick. That is simply your deep cervical muscles experiencing true adaptation for the first time. And because of their anatomical proximity to your throat, it feels unusual. That strange sensation completely vanishes after 2 weeks of consistency. Never train through sharp pain. Always control every single repetition without whipping your head around. Protect your spine at all costs and watch how completely this simple routine transforms your entire physical presence.